Hello learners, welcome to Learn at a Glance. Today our topic is format of IELTS. Here we'll talk about the modules of IELTS. So let's get started. Format. IELTS basically checks our receptive skills and productive skills. Receptive being listening and reading, productive being writing and speaking. Test order. Listening, reading, and writing tests are conducted together in a single sitting. 2 hours and 40 minutes continuously have to sit for the exam. Speaking test might be taken in the same day or within 7 days before or after the other tests. So let's talk about listening. This part consists of 4 sections. Total time for this section is 40 minutes. 30 minutes you will hear the audio and you have to answer in the question itself. And then extra 10 minutes will be given when you will have to transfer the answers to the answer sheet. This module is same for both categories, general training and academic. As proceeded from section 1 to section 4, toughness increases. This is to say that the section 1 is the easiest one and section 4 is difficult. Reading module. This consists of 3 sections. Each section contains 1 passage in case of academic and 1 or 2 passages in case of general training test. Total time for this module is 1 hour and you won't get any extra time to transfer your answer from question to answer sheet. So it is better to answer directly in the answer sheet. As proceeded, sections become difficult. It is to say that section 1 is the easiest one and section 3 is the most difficult. Writing is divided into task 1 and task 2 and there is a minimum word limit for both. So for task 1, minimum word limit is 150 words. You have to write minimum 150 words, otherwise there will be a penalty in the marking. And for academic test, task 1 is basically chart, graph or diagrams which you have to see and write what is given in the diagrams. And for general training, it might be a formal or informal or semi-formal letter. The time for task 1 is 20 minutes. Task 2. Minimum word limit for task 2 is 250 words and this is same for both the categories, general training and academic, and it is usually opinion type essay and the time given is 40 minutes. Speaking time is roughly from 11 minutes to 14 minutes. It consists of 3 parts. First, the introduction and basic questions, which will be like one-line questions or like so. And then you have to go for individual topic or cue card. You will be given a cue card and you have to talk for minimum 2 minutes. And don't worry, 1 minute preparation time will be given. And then in part 3 you have to go for discussion topics. Basically the questions comes from the topic, so they will ask question and you have to answer in a long span, like minimum 4 to 5 sentences. That's it guys. If you have any query about today's video, feel free to comment, and if you have any suggestions for our next video, please do comment. Otherwise it will be tough for us to understand what you want from us. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and keep learning.